Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be discussing our question answers of our chapter Colors of Silence. We're gonna be discussing our main of think about the text. In that, our first question is, how did Satish met with an accident? Do you think the accident occurred due to his carelessness? The answer of this question is, during his holiday, Satish went to Kashmir with his father and brother. While he was crossing a weak bridge, he and his brother stood upon the same bridge. They were seeing the swirling water below. Out of curiosity, Satish wanted to show it to his brother. Just then, he was losing his balance and fell into the water. Like this, the incident took place. No, this incident was not happened to him by his carelessness. It was only of his bad hick, and instantaneously it happened. Our second question is, the writer describes the effect of the incident in paragraph number 12. One such effect is given here. Write to others in the space provided. Number 1. He wanted to scream but he couldn't. Number 2. He felt that some huge weight was pressing upon his head. Number 3. He felt everything seemed far away and silent. Number 4. Everything seemed like scenes from the drama. Number 5. He felt helpless and upset. Our third question is, some words are given below. Choose the words that reflect the feeling of Satish after Surinder left. Angry, miserable, disappointed, lovely, sad, surprised, elated, shocked, helpless. Example, miserable. The answer of this question is, the words that reflect the feeling of Satish after Surinder left were miserable, disappointed, sad, shocked, helpless. Our fourth question is, father, mother and brother all tried to help Satish in their own way. Some of their actions are given below. Against each of these actions, mention whose role was major in it by writing F as father, M as mother and B as brother in brackets. One example is given below. The answer of this question is, number 1. Giving Satish company. B. Brother. Number 2. Caring for his future. F. Father. Number 3. Teaching him pronunciation. B. Brother. Number 4. Caring more for his present state. M. Mother. Number 5. Meeting institutional heads. F. Father. Number 6. Finding an art school for him. F. Father. Our fifth question is, in that option A is, describe the bird in the paragraph 22 in your own words. The answer of this question is, you will write in points. The bird was a rare bird. It had a long tail and a black crest. It had restless energy. Its eyes were kept moving here and there. Its whole body was ready to fly at any moment. It was a very beautiful bird and attractive also. Our option B in fifth question is, now write a small paragraph on any bird, animal that you have watched. You can write it by your own, or else you can copy the same answer for what you have written for the question fifth, option A. Number 6. Do you think the school you are studying should admit students with disabilities of hearing? Give reasons. The reasons are, yes, the school should admit. There are many reasons, such as, no, our school is for normal boys and girls. No, the disabled children didn't understand the lesson. No, the children need special way of teaching and care. No, the children not able to hear the words of teacher. Our last and final question of this chapter is question number 7, that is, read the text again, note down the important events in them, show them in a flowchart. The answer of this question is, Satish met with an accident at Kashmir. He was confined to bed due to illness. Surinder came and met him. His brother Inder sat for hours with him. He was busy in reading books. He was looking at the garden and bird through the window. He sketched the bird with deft strokes. He has painted in his notebooks. His father bought the drawing things and set them on his table. Satish hugged his father and heart full of love.